which means point of view, by the way. You're outside, waiting with the kids for their bus, and then suddenly, life turns into a National Geographic documentary. You guys, look at how big this turtle is that we found in our neighborhood just chilling in the street. He's finding his way back to the pond. Oh my gosh, I know the video doesn't do any justice because this thing is massive. I love to watch nature unfold, but from afar. I just can't do reptiles or amphibians. Heck, I can't even do some humans sometimes. Anywho, I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Happy hump day. Peace out. Your girl Bree is out. Just like that turtle.